Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video, an update on Jasmy. All right, wanted to give you my thoughts on it. Wanted to do a quick update on the situation today. Situation in short is still very bullish. All right, even though we've seen some bearish momentum across the markets. If you look at the total 3, for example, right here, we've seen a big drop yesterday afternoon. A bit of a recovery, but it's actually quite bearish again right now. And Jasmy has been pretty immune to that. It actually still broke above yesterday evening. It still broke above 1.1 cents up here, and it's now kind of in this tight range between 1.2 and 1.1 cents, two pretty strong resistance and support levels. So yeah, just wanted to give you my thoughts and wanted to do an update on the situation right now and what to expect. All right. First of all, fundamentally, I would say that Jasmy is still very, very bullish. All right. With the fundamentals about Japan yesterday, that could be the start of like a big narrative. And if there's one Japanese-based coin that should lead that narrative, it's Jasmy. All right, so the fundamentals are on the side of Jasmy, and by the way, and apart from that, and I've told you that yesterday twice as well, but Jasmy has some solid backing. All right, so they actually have some market makers behind them who will probably allow the pumping. All right, so yeah, a lot is possible, but then if we, like I said, the situation is a bit difficult right now, given the fact that most altcoins are not that strong. Now, I don't expect the whole market to turn bearish. I don't think that's the case. So I don't think that this is a ticking time bomb for Jasmy. But I do think that if you look at this, look, we've rallied a lot since Monday, which is the last 2 days. We've rallied a total of about 82%, which is crazy. Congratulations if you were in. I know that there's a lot of long-time Jasmy holders in the community. That's a big move. All right, and to sustain a move like that can be quite difficult. Let me actually grab this. Can be quite difficult. And what could also happen is that this is a little bit of manipulation and that will have a big crash soon, even though that, the fundamentals are very strong. So yeah, the big question is what's next? If you look at all the statistics right now, if you look at the numbers, it's a pretty even game. All right, here you can see we're still gaining an open interest. But we are gaining an open interest while the price is still kind of here in the middle of this range between 1.2 and 1.1 cents. So that means that Jasmy right now is getting super leveraged. That will have some major liquidation levels to the upside and the downside, which we can look at where they'll probably be right here. And what you'll see if we look at the liquidation heat map is that, again, there's a lot of liquidity right here at 1.08, so 0.0108. And there's a lot of liquidity up here at 1.25 cents, which if we zoom in a little bit, I think you'll be able to see much better. So there's also, we're kind of consolidating on the short term in this area. There's liquidity to both sides. So we're very vulnerable to fake outs, that we grab liquidity and then drop back down, grab liquidity to the downside, get back up. So what we're waiting for is just a solid breakout. And given the structure of the price right now, which we see, and given the fundamentals, I have to tell you that I think it's most likely that if we have to determine that a breakout is coming, that it's going to be a bullish breakout. And that will break above 1.2 cents, grab the liquidity here, but that will be able to hold that breakout and get up to the next price target around, I would say 1.4 and 1.5 cents. That's really the next price target. So I think this is most likely. Now, would I trade this? No. I would just tell you to wait for a breakout and a real one, all right, on the 4-hour time frame, because of the liquidity here to the upside and the downside, it's very easy to manipulate Jasmy, and they'll just liquidate all the buyers and sellers, and then price is still here in the middle. So wait for 1.2 or 1.1 cents to break on the 4-hour time frame. If one of those two levels breaks there, then you'll have more confirmation. If 1.2 breaks, we're bullish, we're good to go. I think that's most likely due to the technicals and the fundamentals. But who knows? Maybe altcoins fall down even more. Jasmy falls down below 1.1 or let's say like 1.07 cents. And if it breaks down below that, then that's a major bearish breakout. And usually that's also hand in hand with open interest falling down. So then we're losing momentum. We had a bearish breakout. then it's most likely Jasmy will just fall down towards like 0.9 or 0.85 cents. So I think that's what you need to know. All right, so if you do have any questions about that, let me know down in the comments. Like I said, I think it's most likely will continue up here, but that cannot, like a move like this cannot keep going on forever. All right, and most of you know that, so be careful. But those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, like I said, let me know down in the comments. In the description, you'll also find more info on my premium and signal group, which I have. Profitable, valuable, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.